Hey guys, super exciting day today. Finally get to get rid of this desk. We're gonna get a nice L-shaped desk in here. Just received it in the mail this morning. So let's unbox it, set it up, and see how it goes. All right, this is the Fitu Eyes, I believe is how it's pronounced, modern L-shaped desk that we ordered off Amazon. Got it this morning, and what it's basically gonna do is replace a floppity old desk. So let's get right into the unboxing. It's a rather heavy box, so you will have to, at some point, get somebody to help you lift it in. Seems to be packed fairly well with that wonderful styrofoam stuff. Okay, so as per usual, bolts all labeled and separate. I don't see a tool in here, aside from myself. Oh, yeah, it comes with the tool. Wow, there's a lot of pieces here. And all the pieces are actually labeled as well. One thing I do like about this is the instructions or directions are there as soon as you open it. And they seem fairly straightforward, so it's not like it's going to take a rocket surgeon or a brain scientist to figure that one out. The finish is nice. Obviously that's the corner piece. It has countersunk holes with all the thread receivers into it. I mean, it's packaged like the Fort Knox, not really any scratches, and it's actually got a deeper wood grain finish than I would think. It's not like a smooth, shiny surface, and it's really sturdy. Again, all the pieces are nicely done. I'll probably scratch it more than the shipping did. There's a lot of pieces to this thing. Again, very sturdy legs, nice sturdy tops, and everything has pre-drill holes, countersunk holes into the top so that you can screw into it fairly easily. It does have some adjusters, so once it is set up, you can adjust the levelness of it. Not that that's going to be hugely important, but yeah. So next, we'll put it together. We will increase the speed of the video while we put it together so that you can see how easy it is to put together. And then we'll cut off to after it's been put into place with all the computer gadgets and everything on it. And then we'll give a final review from there. All right, now the fun begins. Okay, so at this point I'm not very impressed with the sturdiness of the frame. However, if you look at the instructions, the actual tabletops or countertops are going to bolt everything together, so that's going to add a lot more structure, I believe. I'll let you know at the end. All right, guys, so it's all put together. A couple little scratches and stuff here, but we're gonna set it up and then I'll let you know my final thoughts on this item. Okay, so now it is all together. I have a ton of room. A couple things I'm not real happy about. There's some unevenness issues on the top. There's a little bit of a gash here in the top as well. Now, I'm not sure if I caused that or if that was like that when we got it. I'm pretty sure it wasn't like that when we got it. So I'll say I did it. But other than that, it's good and sturdy. Lots of leg room underneath. It's about 2 inches higher than the last one. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I still like the finish. The good thing about the scratches is I'm not really going to notice them because of my full tabletop mouse pad, which is right on. So all in all, I'd have to say, for now at least, we're done looking for a desk. We will use this one moving forward. So far, what we've covered is the camera, the shotgun mic, the lights, all the little accessories, so the bag, the dummy battery, and the lavalier mics, and now the desk. So The last thing that we really are going to cover is going to be the backdrops. So that'll be our next video. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your notifications, and if I don't see you around, see you square.